Steam oven cooking for beginners, part 2. When it comes to reheating food, nothing compares to a steam oven. To reheat food, simply heat the oven in the reheat mode, arrange the food on a dinner plate, and place the entire plate in the oven, and both the food and the plate will gently heat through. This will take about 10 minutes. The automatic reheating modes are generally set to a fairly low temperature for effective heating. However, some foods, especially pizza and baked items, will benefit from being reheated at a higher temperature for a shorter period of time. Most steam ovens have a tank that must be filled with water each time the oven is used. Now, if you use the oven in the morning to make oatmeal or reheat a muffin, and you plan to use the oven again later in the day, it's okay to leave the water in the tank. However, the tank should be emptied when all cooking is completed for the day and the oven dried out in order to maintain a sanitary environment. Now, this is a very brief overview of some of the basic functions of the steam oven. The best advice I can give you is to plan to use your steam oven. At first, cooking multiple foods at one time may seem intimidating. However, once you get used to the convenience of cooking in steam, you will find it very easy and much easier than juggling multiple saucepans on the cooktop. There is actually a great deal more to learn about steam oven cooking, so stay tuned for parts 3 and 4. And you will find a wide selection of recipes and educational videos here at Convection Kitchen to guide you to success with your steam oven cooking. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.